Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, in this problem we're going to start out. I'm going to use a variable called numStudents equals input, and I'm going to ask the question, how many students are there? And then close the parentheses, and I'm going to use that in a for loop. For student in range, and I want to use this number as part of my query, so I'm going to say 1 through num students plus 1, and so that way that'll give me, if num students is 5, that'll give me the numbers 1 through 5. And then I'm going to say score equals input what is the score for student boom plus convert student to a score, and then add a question mark followed by a space. And so when we run this, how many students are there? Of the 3 students, it'll allow us to type in the scores for the 3 students, and that's really a nice thing. And then what it wants to do is it wants us to keep track of the high score and the second high score. And so I'm going to say I'm going to call it the first high, and let's just set that equal to 0, and the second high, and also set that equal to 0. And we're going to have really 3 cases. One is that the number is above the highest, the other one that it's between the 2, and the third one that it's lowest. If it's lowest, we don't make any changes. If it's the highest, we're going to change both of these, and if it's in the middle, we're only going to change the second highest one. And so I'm going to start with the case where we change both. If score is greater than first high, then the first thing we want to do is we want to say that second high score is equal to what the first high score was, and then the first high score is equal to the new score. And that is really good. That should keep track of both those numbers. If it's not highest than the first one, we need to see if it's higher than the second one. So if score is higher than second high, then second high, I should probably write that as a variable, is equal to score, and that should be all we need. And then if we did it right, then we could say print the highest score is quote plus string first high, and then if we copy this whole line, the second highest score is second high. Okay, and let's run it. How many students are there? Let's say there are 6, and let's change up the order of the scores. The highest score is 9, the second highest score is 7. So you'd certainly want to test this with a whole bunch of different conditions, but it appears to be to be good. Probably just for appearance's sake, put a blank print before the highest score so you separate the data from the output. But that is how you would solve a problem like that.